Right, I think I've got another board on my bedroom for like a workroom. So here, all this here is electronic stuff for projects which I used to build for my paranormal ghost hunting stuff. So we got like ICs, capacitors, diodes, transistors, buzzers, LCDs and shit like that all over here. I can't remember what's in here, but I think that one and that one is tools. So that one there, that one and that one is tools. I can't remember what's in this one. We've got these big round plastic containers which I was going to use to build some projects with. That's for my ghost hunting stuff. And we got even more down here: power connectors, fans, buzzers, stepper motors, battery parts and heat sinks and stuff like that. Even these are electronics as well. Right down here, a little bit messy, but we've got electronic screwdriver. I've got these like little magnets to hold some stuff up on the shelving thing over there. Electric drill. Just realised I've got two of these. Got the blue one and the yellow one over there, which I don't really need to, but there we go. I'm not going to be using this. I might put that in the living room because I've got a proper drill now. So we've got a drill, got a stable gun, we got a little mini saw, we got the sander grinder, this was originally on the other side of the room, but I've dug that out to put that there. This I think we might not even need either in here. See how it goes. Right, wire trimmer, batteries, saw, Dremel, another Dremel down there, grinder, dowser, jig, small lathe, power converter kind of thing, oh god, soldering iron station, mini saw, woodworking stuff, all these screws that I've been buying, some woodworking stuff in here, that's electronics, saw bits, doweling stuff, Allen key set and other bits and pieces over there, spanner set, more kind of Dremel stuff there, more electronic stuff all over here and all over here and all over here, all the way up there. Got some tools up there, face masks and rubber gloves, my box of DC motors, and finally all over here we've got a bunch of chisels, screwdrivers, these kind of things. Got this, I can't remember what it's for actually. I think it's a drill hole in. Some screwdrivers, That should be down there, but I ain't got no room for it actually, so that's why it's up there. Blades for the saw and the grinder is there. Some other bits and pieces up there. And talking about blades, there's more blades there. Got eyeglasses, vice, £20 in Lidl's when I saw that, so I bought that. So I originally went about 25, 30, £40 for one of these. Sander, microscope. Down here I've got sawdust, woodworking stuff as well down here. Some electronic components such as like graphic cards, which I'm going to strip to pieces sometime. Magnifying glass down there. And tape. And sandpaper. Allen key things for the drill. Couple of power supplies there and up there. And these, I can't remember what these are actually. Ouch, that fell off foot. I think it's for the grinder. And down here I've got paints and sprays and varnish and stuff like that down there. And just the essential paint brushes. And that's it. So I kind of like made my bedroom more into a workroom. Down there's just like cables and connectors and stuff like that. My two disc cleaning machines, JFJ, and my Hybrid, and my PS5. My other TV that used to be there has been taken out. Multimeter. Oh, hang on, gotta go, catch you later.